Good afternoon, Jody Wardlaw with Buy a Vet here in Atlanta, Georgia. Today we're looking over a 37,000 documented mile 1963 split window. Daytona Blue, dark blue interior. We have records on this car dating back to 1978. Very nice condition. My company sent it over to the paint shop for several months and has a very nice paint job put on this car in the code correct Daytona Blue paint. It is code correct inside and out. Daytona Blue over dark blue interior. It is a numbers matching car. Do me a favor and pan to the sticker for me. Numbers matching, 250 horse, 4-speed manual. Interior extremely original on this car. Knockoff style wheels. Notice everything from paint, stainless, everything is in real nice condition. Now, of course, don't get me wrong, the stainless does show a little wear, a little age. It is original to the car. Hood lines, body lines, extremely nice. Take a look for me at the emblem on the front. Very nice condition. Does appear to be original. Headlight bucket seat right. Chrome bumpers, everything lines up right. Got a newer set of tires on reproduction knockoff wheels. Show very nice condition. Take a quick look at the interior. The interior does show age. It appears to be the original interior in the car. But again, for 37,000 miles, being original interior, or as original as it can get, still shows very nice condition. Hit the door panel for me also, please, sir. All right, I'm going to open the hood now. Again, everything under the hood appears to be very correct as well, from the fan shroud to the radiator. Appears to be a newer fan clutch and alternator in the car. Here's an overflow tank. Chrome shielding. Spark plug shielding as well. Everything very nice condition. Again, Jody Wardlaw with Buy a Vet. I hope you've enjoyed the video for the walk around I did for the car. We're getting ready for a test drive here in a few moments. Thank you.